Hello, good morning. My name is Sunil Gupta. I'm really excited to share with you my experiences. I've been in the pharmaceutical industry for well over 3 decades, being a consultant to the major pharma companies, CROs, to provide a service which is very important to me, which is bringing products to the market to save lives and improve the quality of lives. A little bit about myself. Again, my name is Sunil Gupta. With my passion in SaaS and R, I'm the founder of SaaSsavvy.com as well as R Guru. I've been the conference chair for the Western users of SaaS software for over 10 years now, and that's my heavy involvement with the SaaS community. I'm very much a hands-on SaaS and R developer, project mentor, and project manager and mentor. University professor, author of SaaS books and CDIS books. And I'm really excited to be part of your learning process as you better prepare you for your goals and challenges, because I'm a big advocate of learning, sharing, and mentoring. Thank you. Look forward to spending more time with you. Thank you.